G'day and welcome to another Aussie Blue Staffy video. On today's videos, backup's getting Frosty Paws. It's a magnificent frosty winter's morning, but we're still out there going for a nice walk, getting all of this energy out of backup so you can have a nice day of chewing on some more bones. Backup has so much energy in the mornings and he ain't afraid to let it all out. Watch him go. It's awesome to take Backup for a walk. We make sure we go for at least over 30 minutes or more, just so you can get all that energy out, explore, find new stuff, and then back home for a treat. Backup's like a little Energizer bunny today, so make sure you like, subscribe, tap the notification button, and check out our other videos after this one. We have heaps on offer. Backup's leaving paw tracks all over the field today. Absolutely amazing. We can see exactly where we've been. Backup sure is having fun today. He's really getting all the energy out. We've been running around all day since we got here, and he doesn't look like he's stopping. Staffies have great tenacity, awesome endurance, and are true blue loyal dogs. Backup really gets going when you give him the freedom just to run around, have a bit of fun. It's a great way to see what intrigues the dog's mind. Backup spending his time checking out every inch of this soccer field today. Backup has definitely earned a snack after this big walk. I think he'll be ready for it as soon as we get home. Here's a question for all the viewers. If you do have a dog, does it sleep inside or does it sleep outside at night time? Leave your answer in the comment section. Practicing some dog training, always a good thing to do. Backup absolutely loves to do it all the time too. Exploring new things doesn't always go the way Backup thinks, but he still gives it a go. Thanks for watching another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Remember, like, subscribe, tap the notification button, and we'll see you next time.